Every time I bump right into you, I get all tongue-tied. Want you to know me, but I'm way too shy. I can't just go around admitting that it's you I like. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. I just can't read you when you pass me by. Sometimes you look my way and say my name and I turn around, but when I see you, you just walk on by. It's like you wanna talk but get caught off by your own mind. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. Oh, oh. Give it a go, give it a go. I wish that I had guts enough to flirt a little, but I'm too scared I'll fail. I wish that I could listen to the voice inside me, a voice that always says, give it a go, don't waste your time, 'cause you're running out. Give it a go and ask around, only takes one try, yeah. Even if she tells you no, then at least you know. So give it a go, give it a go. Oh, oh. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy. Looking for love in every corner. The hardest part is to not think it over. Yeah. Is he the one? Could I find a better one? I think I could do better. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy. The moment you see him, you know what it feels like. Yeah, but after a week, something doesn't feel right. Is he the one? Could I find a better one? I think I could do better. Every relation is a struggle these days. Try to keep them alive, but we throw them away. Oh, 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 love should be a joy. Every relation is a okay. He doesn't feel okay. So much heartache in his heart. He's not okay. He doesn't feel okay.
We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. No, we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the Milky Way. Somehow we got used to the problems. Baby, we got used to falling. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. 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 Yeah, I just wanna lose my Do you agree? This is not the way it is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true to my feelings. I'm tired of feeling blue when I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my I am not the victim of this love affair. You can make me go away. I don't really care if it's good and fair. I just wanna love you, babe. just have